Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Viori Shampoo and Conditioner Bar Set, which is in this box right here. This is a shampoo and conditioner bar set that also includes a bamboo holder for each of those soaps. I actually received this from the company for review in this video, and in preparation for this video I looked on YouTube, and I'm probably going to be the only guy that's ever reviewed this product, so that's a little bit different and new. Either way, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below for where you can find it on Amazon. Okay, so in this box is the Viori Shampoo and Conditioner Bar Set. What you'll include in this will be a bamboo holder, which will be this. It's going to be the conditioner bar, which is this, and then you'll have a shampoo bar, and that's everything that comes in the packaging. Currently, you can get this on Amazon for $39 in this set. They have this flavor or aroma, as well as 3 separate other ones. They have a citrus yao, a native essence, as well as a terrace garden. All of these will encompass the conditioner bar, the shampoo bar, as well as the bamboo holder. As far as this flavor aroma, this is the Hidden Waterfall. Overall, the packaging is really nice, elegant. It's very sophisticated. I like it. It's very pleasing to the eye. First off, we'll go over the bamboo holder because that's probably easiest to review. So this is basically a bamboo holder that allows you to store both the conditioner bar as well as the shampoo bar and keep it dry, either in the bathtub or adjacent to your shower. This is what it looks like as far as the design. It's very difficult to read as far as the packaging, but it says phthalate free, 100% vegan, plastic free, safe and natural, and then ethically sourced. So that's what it says on this side. It shows kind of what this entails, which is a bamboo lid as well as a bamboo holder tray. And then on this side, it talks about their mission, which is their mission is to create safe, natural, highly effective products that honor the values and traditions of the Red Yao women. All Viori products are 100% vegan, pH balanced, and cruelty free, as well as sustainably and ethically sourced and made without plastics, sulfites, parabens, or phthalates. So that's great to know that it's great for the environment, it's vegan friendly, all those sorts of things, that because it provides ethical and moral kind of like appropriate sourcing of these products, which is cool. As far as the bamboo holder, this is what it looks like. So basically it has a bottom tray, very similar to like a steamer that you use with a wok. That you can put the soap in, and then there's a tray on the top very similar to what you use for a wok. So basically it's a shrink down kind of steamer for a wok, but that's what it looks like. As far as care for this, they do recommend through Viori that you actually cure this with olive oil to start. There's different videos on this online that you can check out, but basically they say set your oven to the lowest temperature, usually 170 to 180 degrees, and then basically soak this entire bamboo container with olive oil, and then put it in the oven for about 30 minutes while watching consciously to make sure it doesn't burn. The purpose of that is it prevents any mold or buildup of moisture in the bamboo holder. So I highly recommend doing that. I'm not going to do it in this video because there's some good videos online, but that's what the bamboo holder looks like. It's pretty sophisticated for what it is. Next up, we'll go over this conditioner bar, then we'll do the shampoo. As far as the conditioner bar, both of these are going to be the waterfall or Hidden Waterfall Aroma. It's going to be a conditioner bar that has a musk scent as they describe it. They describe it as having like a vanilla aroma as well. It's for all hair types, and it's got this like very nice, elegant packaging as far as its overall look. As far as instructions on how to use, it says soak hair, gently rub bar all over in continuous motions, massage conditioner into scalp and hair, and let sit for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with warm water, and then always dry between sessions. So always use the conditioning or the bamboo holder to prevent it from getting like too wet. Very similarly, this is vegan friendly, it's sustainably sourced, it's carbon neutral, and then it's fair trade certified as far as ingredients. So it's great as far as its source. We'll take it out of the packaging and take a look at it. So this is what it looks like. So it's actually wrapped in like a wax paper. And this is what it looks like. It's basically just a conditioner bar. It has like a moist texture to it. Let me just smell it. And so for the aroma, I describe it as It's like a floral mixed with a vanilla type of smell. It's very pleasant. I'll say that as a man or male, I could probably not use this for myself. It's a little bit too florally scented. So this is something that I might give away or give to somebody else for using. But it does have a pleasant aroma. It's just not the best for guys. But this whole product line isn't really tailored towards it. But personally, I do actually use conditioner and shampoo bars on a regular basis. I've been using them for almost like 5 to 6 years now. Originally, I purchased them through Lush with their like non-florally type scented product. And those are very cheap and affordable ways to get a conditioner bar that's long lasting without wasting product on a regular basis. So I highly recommend conditioner and shampoo bars for both men and women because it's much cheaper, much more affordable. And when you get it from a sustainably sourced for things, it's much better for the environment as well. So that's the conditioner bar. Then this is going to be their shampoo. The packaging is really cool. It's got this like, I don't know how you would describe it, origami kind of folded pattern for keeping it in here. It's really cool. The color scheme goes along with the conditioner bar as well. And then real quick, we'll just look at it. So it says must scent as well. And then instructions for use, it says soak hair, rub bar in wet palms for a few seconds, quickly wet hair again, massage bar all over scalp and hair to cleanse, and then rinse with warmer water and dry between sessions. As far as opening this, it says peel here. So basically we'll just peel this and open it. So that's pretty cool. That's a unique design as far as storing it. So this is what it looks like as far as the shampoo bar. It's a little bit of a harder consistency. It feels like soap. It has this kind of like ornate florally kind of pattern on the top. And again, very similar. It's like an identical smell or aroma. It's like a florally vanilla scent. It's very pleasant, very pleasing. I'd highly recommend it for women or whoever want to smell like this. But I have no complaints as far as the odor. It's just something that I probably wouldn't want for myself. And then in the packaging here, it's hard to read, but they basically do describe what long shave rice water is and kind of like how this is constructed. I'm not going to go into reading this just because it's very difficult to read, but they do recommend using this formula. It's an all-natural formula, promotes healthier hair, renews and volumizes, strengthens hair fibers, moisturizes and repairs, and offers a long-lasting shine. So that's the shampoo bar. So that's the shampoo bar as well as the conditioning bar. Real quick, I'm going to actually take this out again, see how well it fits into the bamboo holder. Sorry, there's a lot of background noise from driving behind me. But let's see if both of these fit in this container as is. And so that I'm a little bit confused about. So basically the bamboo holder really can only hold one of these. So as you can tell, if you try to stack these up, it doesn't fit where it doesn't close all the way. So I'm curious why they only provide you with one bamboo holder. Technically, when looking on their website and stuff, there should be a separate compartment that allows you to store the separate bar shampoo or the holder. So this holder really can only hold one of the shampoo or conditioner bars. So what I'd probably do, because the shampoo bar gets a little bit wetter when you use it, is use that, and then you'll have to find some other tray to store the conditioning bar separately. That's one drawback to this setup, so it's something that you do have to count for when you're purchasing this. But you could potentially buy a separate lid here to store the bottom part as well. So that's everything I have for this video. I'm not going to go into details beyond that. I'm not going to use this at this time just because I don't think there's much value as compared to other videos. But this is the Viori Hidden Waterfall Shampoo and Conditioner Bar. I highly recommend it based on the aroma. It's not the best for my taste, but in general, shampoo and conditioner bars last way longer. They're much cheaper, much more affordable compared to traditional like liquid soap and shampoo or conditioner. So try it out, check it out. $39 is a decent price for this. We'll have to see how long it lasts, but check out the Amazon link below. Check out the other aromas as well if you're interested. If you have questions, comments, post them below, and thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like to my channel.